Hey, I'm Mike. I'm the founder of Spherio. I made a Spherio for this bar to show some of the liquor they have when you don't know what you want to drink. Let's take a look at it. Here we are from the home screen. I go into search and then my Spherios. Here's that Spherio. I've already created and launched it. I'm hitting the pencil. I'm going to rename this to liquor. And then I'm going to change the URL to the name of the venue. I've already copied this to my clipboard. Now I'm going to save this new information. I'm happy with the cards, so I'm going to save again. Now every card in the Spherio will have a direct link to that venue. Now if I want to edit an individual card, then I would hit the three dots, edit. I'm going to go into my hyperlink. I've already copied it to my clipboard for Jameson Whiskey. So now this card will have the name of the venue, while this card, active hyperlink directly into the homepage for Jameson. Immersive menu.